Welcome everyone, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Bubba Pro Series electric fillet knife. Just want to give you a quick view of this thing. Just showed up in the mail today, so we're going to check it out, see what it's all about. Very sturdy case. I've got to say, it's even got a little bit of grip to it, which is really nice. Even got metal latches on it. So let's check out and see what's inside. Oh wow. Alright. First of all, we can start sporting Bubba. Put that on the boat if we need to. And we got some instructions. Alright, let's get down to this. This thing is nice. Very, very large handle. It's come in really handy. It's even got a kind of like a trigger guard there, so you don't accidentally turn it on and have any issues by carving up the back of your truck or something. This particular one comes with 2 batteries. Guess I probably should have learned how to take them off before I seen this, but this particular one is the Pro Series. It does have the brushless motor inside, and also with the LED light indicator on the batteries. So that's really nice. This thing feels really good in your hands. Really nice. And of course, we got the plug-in wall charger. Charges straight into the batteries. And let's get down to the knives. Let's check these things out. Of course. All right. Okay, so I ended up cutting the zip ties off that held the blades in place. The blades not going to fall out. They're held in there nice and tight. This is going to be the 12-inch stiff blade. Come with really nice sheaths over them. We have the 12-inch stiff. We have the 9-inch stiff. And this one's the 9-inch flex blade. And this is the 7-inch flex blade. Alright, let's go ahead and put one of these on. Looks like they just pop right on here. We got the button on the back. Okay, Looks like it's the button on top here. That's not a button there, that's a thumb grip. So these also do have a lock on them, a locking mechanism to prevent any accidents. So go ahead and disengage that lock. That's nice. Pretty large handle on that, I've got to say. But it really feels built very strong. Feels like it would have no issues taking a fall from a tabletop or something. So the second battery looks like you got to latch it from both sides, slide it out. Like I said, it does have the LED indicators on the front, let you know when it's going to die. That way you can get the other one out and be prepared. And we'll just go over a few of the specs on this. Looks like the blades have the titanium nitrate coating on them, so that'll help prevent from any rusting on there, which is obviously good if you're going to be using this in any type of salt water. The blades themselves are both dual riveted for the sliding action back and forward, which would definitely come in handy. The trigger itself is a nice sensitive trigger. It's got the ergonomical trigger on it. And the grip itself has a really nice non-slip grip along with that thumb hold there, so that'll really help out and making sure you're not dropping the knife when you're filleting your fish. The motor itself, as I mentioned before, is a brushless motor, so it will be lasting quite a bit longer than the other one, this one being the Pro Series model. And I may not have mentioned, but these are the lithium-ion batteries, so they're going to have a lot longer life to them as well. So for the most part, I'm very satisfied with this so far, but we won't be able to tell until we put it to use. So let's make sure we do that. Let's check it out next. So here we have a 26-inch lingcod. Legal length in Oregon is 22 inches that you can keep. So it's a keeper, but it's not the biggest one in the ocean. So we're going to go ahead and do a little fillet job on him and test out this knife. I'm going to be go ahead and using the 9-inch flex blade on this and giving it a shot here and see what happens. Just got into the spine a little bit there. Well, all in all on the fillet, it looks like there's going to be a little bit of learning curve from going to electric, which may take some getting used to. I did leave a little bit of meat in there, but like I said, we'll nothing too bad. So, like I said, bit of learning curve. We'll get it down. Well, I am not sponsored by Bubba, but I would definitely give this a 9 out of 10. And probably once I get it down a little bit better, it would probably easily be a 10 out of 10. So let's go ahead and take this off the skin and see what this 9-inch flex blade will do to this. Looks like I got into the skin a little bit there, is why it did that, but that turned out really good. Let's try it again here. Took it right down to the skin. And there you have it. One butchered lingcod. So this product definitely made things go a lot faster than with a regular fillet knife. I would definitely recommend this product in filleting any type of fish myself. I think it would handle any size also. So definitely a recommendation on it. Worth every dollar paid. So thanks, Bubba, for the great product. And thanks for watching, you guys. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to show your support. It's much appreciated.